Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Who doesn't love a surprise, right? So there's all these things, surprise balls, surprise eggs, all these sort of things. And I'm going to teach you how to make your very own Easter egg surprise ball bunny. And it looks just like this, or like this, or any way that you would like to make it. I'm going to teach you how to make one right now. For this project, you will need an Easter egg, a tiny gift, a bunch of flat gifts like riddles, jokes, tattoos, stickers, mustaches, crepe paper streamer, scissors, googly or sticker eyes, cardstock, pink marker, ballpoint pen, pom-poms, glue dots, and a rubber band. I have my egg with my prize. And what's very, very important here is that you have all your little prizes ready to go. And you want your prizes to be flat. That's kind of the most important thing. Now, you can do this with a bigger egg. And if you do it with a big egg, it's going to look a little like this, but it's going to end up looking a little bit like a mummy. But you can use your crepe paper streamer at the width that it normally comes in. I like the tiny eggs better. I just love the look of them. And so I'm going to teach you the technique for making a smaller egg. To do that, we're going to need to cut our crepe paper. And that's why I said get a good pair of scissors, because it's going to be really important that you cut your crepe paper, and you need a nice pair of scissors, not a jagged pair of scissors. As you can see, I'm cutting about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch off of my streamer here. Pick up your egg, put your finger on the streamer on top of the egg, and just wrap it around a couple times. Now, the way you're going to be doing this is you're going to kind of be just wrapping the egg around. And when you get to a point where you need to cut more streamer, take that little rubber band, place it around, and then you can cut your streamer. Once you're ready to start again, just remove that rubber band and start wrapping. What I want to do is get a nice base before I start adding the prizes. Okay, now our base is formed, and now it's time to start adding prizes. So I'm going to wrap my tattoo in here. And again, I'm just going to start wrapping and wrapping. It's kind of like a mummy. You're just kind of wrapping it in there. Come at it in angles. Main thing is you want to just make sure that you're covering it in there really solid and good. When you feel you got a nice covered egg, snip off that end. Okay, now wherever your end is, that's where we're going to build our face. So we've got our end right here. And I'm going to use a little sparkly heart for the nose. I'm going to cut off the bump part, and it just leaves me with this little triangle. I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to place that right here at the edge of that streamer. So there's his little nose. And now let's put eyes on. I've got these great sticker eyes. And this is where the pen comes in handy. I'm going to give him a little mouth. There we go. And he's got to have some ears, otherwise he's not going to look like a bunny. So for his ears, I'm just going to use a piece of this cardstock, fold it over, and I'm just going to cut out some ears like that. And I'm just going to add a little bit of coloring to it to make the inside of the ears. And last but not least, I'm going to add them. So I'm going to use a little hot glue for this, but I could use a glue dot as well. Backside of my bunny, add that to my bunny. And there he is. And there you have it, your very own adorable Easter egg surprise bunnies. Now, I just want to show you how much fun this is to open up. So basically what you do is you take the ears off, right? And when you do that, that will open up this part of it. And you just start unraveling. And as you unravel, you get to the prize. And what does the prize say? Somebody loves you. And that would be me. For more fun things, check us out at Sophie-World.com. I want to see what other prizes I have.